stop. In this point, we have to see about the three types of the cubic lattices or the cubic system. There are three kinds of the cubic systems. These are the first, primitive or simple cubic, second, body-centered cubic, and third, face-centered cubic. These are the three cubic systems. The next one is simple or primitive type of the cell. In this cell, the constituent particles are present only at the corners of the cube. Constituent particles are present only at the corners of the cube. Second is a body center. This body centered means one particle present in its body, and also its 8 corner constitutes there is a constituent particles. That is, in this unit cell, the one constituent particle is present at the center of the body, additional to the corners particles. Next one is a face-centered cubic. This is also called as a FC. In this face-centered cubic cell, the particles at the corners of each face in the addition to the 8 corner particles. Each contains there is a one particle, also 8 corners there is a constituent particles as shown in this figure. This figure, the first figure shows this is a simple or primitive type of the unit cell. In this case, these are three types of the cubic system. The first is a simple, this is also simple, and this is the 8 corners contribute there is a 1/8 part of the constituent particle. Second is a body centered cubic cell. These are the body centered, and this is a face centered cubic cell. The number of particles present in a cubic unit cell. In our syllabus, there are only the simple or primitive type of the unit cell are present. Also, there is a body centered cubic unit cell. The first part is a primitive or simple unit cell. This is a first part. A simple cubic unit cell has a particles are present at the 8 corners. 8 corners contains 8 constituent particles. Then fan. These unit cells are stacked together. The particles at each corner gives the unit cell is shared with the 7 other neighboring cubes that comes together at the corners. Means one constituent particles is contribute to the another 7 unit cells. As a result of the corners particles, there is 1/8 part. This is a 1/8 part of the given unit cell. Thus, the simple cubic unit cell has 8 corners particles into 1/8 particle per unit cell equal to 1 particle per unit cell. This is a body centered unit cell. In this case, this body centered unit cell contains this part is a 1/8 part present in each unit cell, and this if there is a whole sphere is contributing to the neighboring 7 unit cells. The next is a body centered unit cell. In this body centered unit cell, the BCC unit cell has 8 corners particles and additional particles at the center of the cube. body centered, one particle present at its center, and another 8 corners contains there is a 1/8 particles of each corner. 1/8 particle each part present at the corners of the unit cell. The next part is the particles at a given cube is not shared any other cube. Central part, the central sphere is present out of the body of this unit cell, therefore this does not contribute to the another unit cells. Therefore, the body centered unit cell has 8 corner particles into 1/8 particles per unit cell. These are the corner particles plus 1 particle present at the center of the cube, means 1/8 into 8 equal to 1. 1 plus 1, there are 2 constituent particles present in each unit cells. As shown in the figure, this figure contains, this is a body centered, this sphere, whole sphere present at its body, and the 8 constituent particles are present 1/8 part of each corner, and these 3 figures are of the body centered unit cells. The next, the relationship between molar mass, density of the substance, and the unit cell edge length is deduced in the following steps. Means, in solid state there is a density of the unit cells are calculated. Density formula is important for the numericals. In this case, if consider a cube having the edge length A, therefore the volume of the cube is A cube. As shown, this is the volume of the unit cell is A cube. Suppose the mass of one particle is m. This is the mass of one particle is m, and that there are the n particles present in the per unit cell. Therefore, the mass of the unit cell is calculated by using the formula mass of the unit cell equal to m into number of particles, that is n. This is equation number 1. Then the density of the unit cell, density means mass upon volume. Hence, density is equal to the unit cell density rho, which is same as the density by rho equal to mass of unit cell upon volume of the unit cell. Therefore, m into upon A cube. Hence, density of the substance. And this is equation number 2. In this case, this is the density. Rho is equal to mass upon volume, that is the mass of the unit cell is m into n upon volume is A cube. This gives the density of the substances. Therefore, the molar mass m of the substance is given by m is equal to mass of one particle into number of particles per mole, that is number of particles per mole means the Na Avogadro's number. This is equal to the Na into m, that is m into Na mass of particle into the Avogadro's number. Therefore, m, this is the mass of particle, m molar mass upon Na. This is equation number 1. By using these equations, we can calculate the density. Mass upon volume. This is the mass of one particle, and volume is a cube. Therefore, this density rho is equal to n m upon a cube into Na. This is equation number 4. By knowing the 4 parameters, equation 4, the fifth can be calculated. In this density equation, this is the density rho, this is n number of particles, m is a molar mass, a cube is a volume of the unit cell, Na is Avogadro's number. If 4 quantities are known or the 4 parameters are known, then fifth can be automatically calculated. This formula is most important for the calculating the density or other corresponding parameters if 4 parameters are known. Then next part, packing efficiency. Packing efficiency contains there is a different packing efficiencies. The packing of the particles in a crystal lattice. The constituent particles of the crystalline solid are close packed, leaving minimum vacant space. Consider the constituent particles as identical hard spheres. The constituent particles are packed together by minimizing their space, and if these constituent particles are the hard spheres. At this time, the one hard sphere is contact with the another neighboring spheres. This gives their coordination number. Therefore, the coordination number is defined as the number of neighboring spheres that touch any given spheres is its coordination number, and the magnitude of the coordination number is measures the compactness in a close packed structure. Means the degree of compactness is measured. There is how the solids are packed uniformly in their crystal lattice is calculated by using the coordination number. If larger the coordination number, closer the spheres to each coordination number is maximum, then there is a closeness of the twin particles are maximum, and there is a for the minimize the space, the empty space is very small. Therefore, the next is a close packed structure. In this close packed structure, the 3-dimensional close packed structure can be understood conveniently by looking at the close packed in 1 and 2 dimensions. If there is a 3 types of the packing: 1-dimensional packing, 2-dimensional packing, and 3-dimensional packing. This 3-dimensional packing is calculated or can be their structure is understand by using the 1 and 2-dimensional packing as shown below. Then the close packing in 1 dimensions. In this 1-dimensional close packing, the spheres are arranged they are touched with one another as shown in the figure. In this figure, the spheres are touched with one another. At this time, the first and last, this sphere, there is a coordination number is not calculated, but this sphere, central spheres are in contact with 2 neighboring spheres. Hence, the coordination number of the spheres is 2. Next is a close packing in 2 dimensions. A close packed 2-dimensional planar structure result by stacking the rows together such as they are in contact with each other. These layers are placed as a close-packed two-dimensional structure results by the stacking the rows together in such a that they in contact with each other. There are two ways of this contact of the spheres with each other. The first is a square close packing. In this square close packing, one-dimensional rows of close packed spheres are stacked over each other such that the spheres align vertically and horizontally. The spheres are arranged in such a way that the close packed spheres are stacked over, then the spheres are vertically and horizontally in aligned with each other. If the first row is labeled as A type, exactly the same the first row. The second row is also labeled as A type. Hence, this arrangement is called as A type two-dimensional arrangement. AA type two-dimensional arrangement. In this arrangement, every sphere is touches with four neighboring spheres. Hence, the coordination number in square close packing is 4. In this figure, this sphere is contact with four neighboring spheres. Therefore, the coordination number for this square close packing is 4. Therefore, this is two-dimensional close pack called as a square close packing in two-dimensional hexagonal close packing. In this hexagonal close packing, the second row is arranged in such a way that the spheres of the second row is fit in the contact with the depressions of the first row. If the first row is A type row and the second row being different is called as a B type. The placing of the third row on the second row gives rise to an arrangement in which the spheres in third row are aligned with the spheres of the first row. Hence, third row is a A type. Similarly, the fourth row will be aligned with the spheres of the second row, and hence fourth row is a B type. Hence, from this figure, the first row and third row are A type, second row and fourth row are the B type. Hence, this arrangement is called as a AB type of the arrangement. From this figure, there is a central sphere is in contact with the 6 neighboring sphere. Hence, the coordination number 6. The resultant two-dimensional arrangement is called as a AB type because the first and third layers are same and second and fourth layer are the same. Hence, obtain a layer in the arrangement AB type. This type of the two-dimensional arrangement is called as a hexagonal close packing in 2 dimensions. The free space in HCP arrangement is less as compared to the square close packing. That is, in square close packing, the arrangement of this is leaving a larger space as compared to the hexagonal close packing HCP. In this HCP, the triangular voids, that is the free spaces, are arranged in two types in a alternatively rows points in upward direction as well as downward directions as shown in the figure. In this figure, the center sphere this is present in the contact with the 6 neighboring spheres. Therefore, it has a coordination number is 6. This packing is called as a hexagonal close packing.